And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
I'm like, come back to me. Skycam's up. I want to show it real quick before it goes away. Cloud cover. Yes, it moved in this afternoon. After a bright sunny day, clouds moved in the afternoon, and we lost our sunshine. But the temperatures, not all that bad. You think lots of clouds, you think kind of cool. I'll tell you this. I came inside, and I'm thinking like, okay, it doesn't feel like mid-40s at all. And I think when you have the cloud cover, it feels a little cooler, a little damp outside. And even though it's 44 in Providence, 43 in Taunton, and 48 in Westerly, on paper, this is not bad for December, but without the sunshine, it doesn't quite feel as nice. What's odd about tonight, though, is these temperatures are going to go up. So we have a warm front lifting through the area, a lot of cloud cover, and we're going to anticipate some showers to arrive sometime after 7, 8 o'clock. Very light rainfall. And I think more of the story is the temperatures. Take your 44 now. Let's take it all the way up to 50 by 1 a.m. And some locations by early morning tomorrow, with the rain moving out, will be already in the mid-50s. Now, if you don't mind cloud cover for tomorrow, it's a great day. A little breezy. I mean, anytime you're going to jack the temperatures up to around, 60 degrees for areas away from the coast, mid to upper 50s at the coast, it's going to take some kind of strong southwesterly wind to do that, gust 20 to 25. It helps take those temperatures and raise them. But what happens, though, is it turns out to be a really mild day, even with a lot of cloud cover, which is odd for December. If you're going to pop like a really warm day, you usually need a little sunshine. So we could set a record for tomorrow, for December 16th. The current record right now sits at 62 degrees. You got to go back to 1971. So the record is pretty old, right? We're forecasting a high of 58 to 60. It all depends on if we can pop a little sunshine in the afternoon, because upper 50s to near 60 would take this to the low 60s and we could break the record. If we keep a lot of cloud cover, I think that record will hold tight. But it's not the only record, though. We might set a record for the mildest night temperature as well. It just goes to show you how warm the air mass is for tonight, tomorrow, and even into Friday as well. Some light precipitation off to our west, some snow and some rain. Here I am talking about warming temperatures tonight, and you see some snow. You think, well, it's got to be cold for that to happen. It is to our north and west. But as this precipitation moves east and the temperatures go up, it turns into a light rain event. Now, bigger picture, unbelievable windstorm happening out in places like Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska. I talked about this yesterday. There was a wind gust today. I think it was 100 miles an hour in Lamar, Colorado. Crazy stuff out there. And this low pressure, very, very powerful, potent little low, is going to start to move up into Canada. Brings a warm front, cold front through by the end of the week. And though we have some precipitation for the weekend, this is not that system. But it does bring some light precipitation in as we close out the week for Thursday night into Friday. So, futurecast, clouds tonight, a few little spotty showers. Again, the rainfall, not the big story. It's mainly going to be the temperatures that are rising. By the time we get to the morning commute, the rain is out, a lot of cloud cover, and a very warm day for tomorrow. Breezy, too. Going day on Friday, after a few showers Thursday night, very spotty. Friday looks good, too. It may not be 60, but some mid to upper 50s with a lot of sunshine and a brighter day. Certainly a nice way to end the week. But the one thing we're watching, though, is for the weekend. That's our next big weather maker. And it will come in from the southwest sometime Saturday afternoon. As the precipitation first arrives, there'll be enough cold air at that point as we transition to a colder pattern for the weekend and early next week that there could be a little snow. I think it will change over pretty quickly and become mainly a rain event as we go into the afternoon and night. And I've kept some of the rain now into Sunday morning. Looks like it's going to arrive a little bit later and then out a little bit later. And therefore, we got to clean things up by the afternoon on Sunday. But overall, though, it's just adjusting to colder temperatures. Right now, not much precipitation, at least snow accumulating-wise, but a little bit more rainfall. And then once the colder air arrives, fittingly in time for the arrival of winter next Tuesday, temperatures only in the low to mid-40s and overnight lows in the 20s. Olivia.
Thank you, Jeff. The National Weather Service is warning people